The DeltaGrip DG4 tool will arrive in a box. Please retain this box for return shipping. Upon receiving the tool, open the box and inspect to ensure nothing was damaged in transportation. ASC Steel Deck offers a DeltaGrip DG4 Tool maintenance kit. Within this kit, you will find the parts, tools, and instructions needed to change the punch and die on the DeltaGrip DG4 tool. Check the bag's contents and ensure all the following parts are enclosed. Prior to changing the punch and die, ensure the air supply hose from DeltaGrip DG4 tool is disconnected. Replace the punch and die if they demonstrate excess wear or damage. You will use the following corresponding flathead screws. The 5/8 inch screw will be used to replace the die, while the 3/8 inch screw is used to replace the punch. Maintenance is the tool renter's responsibility. Failure to do so may incur repair or replacement charges. For the die, the beveled side should face inside the jaw and the flat side flush against the surface of the jaw, with the die opening facing towards the bottom of the tool. Simply remove the screws, swap out the die, and replace the screws. Be mindful not to over-tighten the screws. Ensure to check the tightness of these screws as part of daily maintenance checks. Repeat the same process on the other side for the punch, ensuring the sloping sides face towards the bottom of the tool. There are 5 Zerk fitting locations on the back of the tool. And 2 located on the front. These fittings should be maintained daily. A pistol grip grease gun and synthetic or lithium grease is recommended to be used in this process. Firmly attach the grease gun to the Zerk fitting and squeeze the handle. The component is sufficiently greased when fresh grease starts to squeeze out from the joint. Wipe away any excess grease and disconnect the grease gun. If you have any questions about daily maintenance or replacement parts, please contact ASC Steel Deck customer service at 1-800-726-2727.